In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Facebook Marketplace account for 2025. Let's dive in and make sure you're ready to buy and sell with ease. To start, open up your favorite web browser and head over to Facebook's main website. Once you're there, you'll want to look to the left-hand side of your Facebook homepage. Here you'll find a menu. Scroll through this menu by clicking on See More. This step will reveal a host of additional features offered by Facebook. Among these options, you'll encounter the Marketplace. Click on it. Facebook's Marketplace isn't just a place to buy and sell, it's a bustling community of local buyers and sellers that can connect you with anything from furniture to tech gadgets. Next, focus on the option to create new listing in the Marketplace. Click on this option, which is crucial whether you're planning to sell something or keep an eye on what local sellers are offering. On the next page, take a moment to choose your listing type. You'll see several options like item for sale, vehicle for sale, and home for sale or rent. Select the one that best fits what you're offering. Now, it's time to make your listing shine. Start by clicking Add Photos. Choose clear, high-quality images as these can significantly impact buyer interest. Once your photos are in, pay attention to each of the following steps, starting with the title. The title should be concise but informative, effectively summarizing what you're selling. Following that, input your desired price. Ensure that it aligns with the current market values for similar items. As you proceed, you'll need to choose the appropriate category for your listing. This helps in reaching the right audience who are searching for items similar to yours. Once that's done, you'll notice a Tools section. This is where you can provide additional specifications about your item. Choose the condition of the item, whether it's new, like new, or used. A detail crucial for setting buyer expectations. Next, in the description box, provide a compelling narrative about your item. Include details about significant features, how you used it, and why it's a great buy for the price. Continuing on, type in the brand of the item if applicable. This can be especially important for electronics, fashion, or any branded item as buyers often search for specific brands. Further enhance your listing with relevant tags. These help users find your items through search more easily. With the basics covered, go ahead and choose availability. This includes setting your item's availability status and specifying your location to indicate how far you're willing to deal with buyers. Once satisfied, click Next to proceed. You're almost done. To finalize your listing, hit the Publish button. After publishing, you even have the option to share your listing in Facebook groups where you're a member. Each group might have different rules, so ensure your post aligns with them. That's all there is to it. You've successfully set up your Facebook Marketplace account and listed your first item. Thanks for tuning in and happy selling.